Hello to all my gorgeous people out there, it's Amina over here. And if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video that I upload. So, welcome to episode 2. Episode 1 you will find in the playlist. In YouTube, when you go to my channel, there's a playlist. You will find top 3 playlists and you can see episode 1 over there. In episode 1, I've spoken about moisturizers and color correctors. So this is my second episode and today we're going to talk about primers. Primer is such an essential part and I see so many people not using it and it scares the daylight out of me. If you're a makeup artist, you will know how important a primer is. Regardless of how flawless or how good your skin is, you need a primer in your life, okay? Why? Because A, it protects your skin from directly, foundation going and falling on it and you getting a lot of acne and skin issues. It's not good for foundation to directly touch your skin. So you need to have a base layer underneath or at least apply some moisturizer. Many people don't even apply a moisturizer and directly apply foundation. It scares me a lot. To explain to you how important a primer is, it protects your skin from getting any sort of skin damage, and then if you have any sort of pores or any sort of enhanced textures on your skin, it will just cover it up and give you a blur and smoothed out canvas to do your makeup on, and then you will have a more beautiful base if you apply primer. It is such an important and must thing regardless of what skin type you are. So without any further ado, just let's begin the video. My number one favorite primer as of now is the Maybelline Master Prime Mattifying Primer for oily skin. The price list will be down. So this is the one over here. This is such a wonderful primer and it is a very mattifying primer as it says. It is a white primer and it has a very cream like consistency, and this actually blurs out your face textures and pores, and see how matte that is. You won't find any sort of sheen and it will just blur out and give your skin that smooth texture. If you can see my hand, you'll see how smooth it looks. It's because primer does that. It just makes the skin look baby soft and beautiful and covers your pores, and this is a beautiful primer. I have no cons for it. It is just amazing. It just makes the base look beautiful, okay? And yeah, I know it is on the mid-range between high and low of pricing, but it is worth every penny. You please watch out for offers. Once it comes on a sale, just grab it without any second thoughts. And trust me, you will not regret. So next primer that I absolutely love regardless of what is this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfecting Makeup Primer. So they have two variants in this. One is the cream formula and one is a silicone based formula. I have the cream one. If you're a person who has known me from the beginning, you will know that I'm almost running out of this. And I know the price point again is in the mid range, not very steep, not very affordable. So, but you know what, you can just check out for offers. As I said, this is another phenomenal primer. It just gives you a very smooth canvas, which I really love. Like, it just makes your skin so baby smooth, and it has a very beautiful texture to it. It has a very moussey kind of formula. It is not a creme, okay? It is a very moussey kind of formula. It just smooths out your pores and gives you a flawless base, and it itself has a small slight tint to it, pinkish tint or creamish tint. It's not very pink, it is not very beige, it's a mid range, very mild pink. It gives you a beautiful canvas beneath and it makes your skin soft and beautifully the makeup sits on it. It's very good. You should afford. If you're an oily person, you will love it. Even if you're a normal person, you'll love it. Even if you have a combination skin, you will love it because this has a mousse formula, so it's not extremely drying, or it doesn't make your skin extremely oily. It's just perfect. It's just a perfect balance. It's a beautiful thing. If you're an oily skin type, probably you can even try the silicone one. It might help, but I've never tried the silicone, so I won't suggest. I don't suggest something that I don't wear. Next is the Color Bar Flawless Finish Primer. I won't lie to you, this is a very recent purchase of mine. I bought it around 2 months ago, and this is the one over here. Boy, oh boy, what a beautiful, the name itself suggests it's a flawless finish primer. It's affordable, it's amazing, and it is gorgeous. It's a silicone based primer and it is a stunning primer, and it is a very cute small packed primer. So it's a very travel friendly option if you're traveling anywhere. For the price point, guys, this is one of the best best primers I have used. And when I say that, it is legit one of the best. It gives your skin something, a world of difference, and it makes your skin so smooth, and it gives the blurred out effect, and your makeup looks flippin' stunning on it, okay? So this is the primer over here. So it's a very hydrating, as well as, you know, it completely smooths everything. And because it's a silicone based primer, it is meant to cover up your pores. It's very hydrating. It's like those primer oils also, like, combined. It's a very beautiful texture, and it gives your skin that smoothness, that blurred out effect that you really want. And you know, again, this can be used by normal to dry to combination skin, and it will really help your skin. This is the list of primers that I have. You people can decide what you want, and you people can invest in whatever you want. All three are phenomenal, all three are fabulous. So this is all for today's episode. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video that I upload. I love you all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.